Storm Team 8 is tracking a severe weather alert.
Okay, most of the day is going to be fine. We're going to see a narrow band of some showers and thunderstorms move through. And at times in that band, there's going to be severe weather, but it won't last very long. Here you can see the quad cam set up, showing kind of a mix out there. And notice the Allendale area, how the sky is getting considerably darker. That just shows you this line is starting to develop and to kind of extend further to the south and west. And that's exactly what we're expecting today. Notice how the pink shade started developing over the past hour. That's the latest severe thunderstorm warning till 8 o'clock. And let's take a look at those current severe thunderstorm warnings. Rather, this is watch till 8 o'clock. Here's the current warnings out there. So until 1:45, by the way, Newaygo has now since been canceled out of that warning. We're kind of focused on the northwestern quadrant, right around M46, right into southeastern parts of Mecosta County and Montcalm County, right in through here. This looks like the strongest portion of the cell. Also Mount Pleasant, it's heading your direction. And this is moving east at about 35, 36 miles an hour. I want to show you this line extends all the way through Cedar Springs, northwestern Kent County, Kent City area, heading towards Sparta fairly quick, Robinson Township, Coopersville. That southern extend line is not severe yet. Tracking this to the east, though, this is the folks that are in the path of the stronger portion of the storm. That's why I'm highlighting this area. Sydney, about just before 1 o'clock, the Stanton area right around 1 o'clock, Greenville, close to just prior to 1:10. We're looking at Crystal about 117, Carson City, close to 140 as this line continues to march to the east. It's not very wide. It's not going to last very long. Looks like there was one little report in southern Newaygo County, not far from Fremont, or just south of Fremont, of possible branch down or tree limbs down. This is the hail tracker, and there certainly is the possibility, especially right along M46, could see inch diameter hail. Now, I measured this earlier, but we just had a radar update. I did see an inbound velocity around 56 miles an hour, and that was right around or just east of the Cora location. If you're in Langston, right in through here, this is where we're going to have the strongest winds heading in your direction. I believe that's M91. Here's 66 in the Stanton area up towards just west of Edmore. So anywhere from Langston, the Entrecon area towards Stanton, be aware there could be some very strong winds heading your direction. Now, here's the latest on this severe thunderstorm watch, 8 o'clock this evening. And they may tweak this a little bit and may add our southern counties. We'll have to wait and see. But right now, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, and Branch are not included. Here's the latest also from the Storm Prediction Center. It has an enhanced area, 3 out of 5 risk from Flint over Detroit, just east of Lansing and also around Ann Arbor. There could be some significant reports on the east side of the state. Most of our viewing area is at a 2 out of 5 risk, and that is a slight risk. Along the lakeshore, you're pretty much in the clear at the present time, anywhere from Muskegon northward. Broad need to view, you can see that enhanced risk area. It's pretty large. It actually includes a good chunk of northern Ohio and also in the western parts of Pennsylvania. Weather impacts, here you go, medium, damaging winds and also hail. Time frame for us now through around 5 o'clock, although 5 o'clock might be a little bit late. That would be extreme southeastern parts of the viewing area. We're on I-69. And the farther east in the state you are, the better chance of picking up that severe weather. It's warm otherwise, also muggy out there. You can certainly see where that storm has gone through, where temperatures have been knocked down around 70 to the upper 60s to our north. The wind out there fairly strong, and you can notice there's kind of a kink out there where the wind bars known. That's where the cold front is. So we're going to see our wind go from southwest to north and west throughout this afternoon. Closer in, again, rain cooled up to the north. And this is where the heat is, so still a lot of unstable air off to areas from Grand Rapids to the south and east. And also the dew point temperature is quite high. This is what's triggering it. Cold front, area of low pressure up to the north. So until this cold front moves through, we'll be at least having a chance of those strong thunderstorms that could be severe. Here's the latest of the Futurecast. Shows those showers and thunderstorms out there developing this afternoon, then kind of really congealing on the eastern side of the state. Again, this is just one forecast model. Some say something different, so we'll keep a close eye on the radar. Picking up tomorrow, we'll start out with a fair amount of clouds, partly cloudy skies developing inland, mostly sunny along the lakeshore, but everybody won today with lots of sunshine that should carry over throughout much of Saturday also. So it looks like a pretty nice weekend, although notice the thunderstorm icons. The chance is less than 50% and a little bit higher on Sunday, but most of the weekend dry. Here comes some heat later in the week, and that's going to be combined with some humidity. So hot end of July as it appears.